Okay, the premise of this poem is it's all about yourself, but it has to be all lies. We read it for VSW last night, and I kind of ran with it. So, I never wanted to come here. I think calculus is great fun. My father never failed when it came to raising his son. My mama lets me do whatever the hell I want, and I've never sent a text message from my phone. I tend to be lazy, and my day is filled with frolic. I smoke every day, and I'm a chronic alcoholic. My gentleman ways don't end every time it gets darker. I don't want to bang my poetry partner. I think Kobe sucks and MJ is the worst. I wash my clothes in the river and I season my food with dirt. I don't believe cleanliness should be a daily task. I know she got on spandex, but I ain't looking at her ass. I'm a simple shadow man with my own interested heart. It doesn't concern me that the black family dynamic is torn apart. If you kill your own brother, I think it must have been worth it. I don't want the world to change because everything is perfect.